Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you what is an Instagram note and how do we use it. First of all, you can click this message icon on top and then you will see here that your followings are sharing their thoughts and some even share music that they are listening to. And to create a note, you can click this plus symbol over here and then you can type here what's on your mind recently for only 60 character, and you can add a music to it. Just click here and then choose a music that you are listening to, and then select the segment of the song, and you can also add some text to it. Here I'm going to add an emoji, and after you're done you can choose to share it with followers that you follow back or some of your close friends, and then you can click share, and after that your note is posted here until the next 24 hours. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.